In this video, I'll show you how to fix corrupted game files on Steam. Now first what you want to do is open up Steam, click on the Steam icon and then choose Settings. Now once you're in the Steam settings, you want to head to Downloads, clear download cache and press clear cache. From in here you want to go to Storage, click on the three dots and repair your library. Now after you've done that, select the game that you're having trouble with, right click on it, Properties, Installed Files and verify integrity of game files. Now after you've done both of these, what you can do is try and run your game and see if it works. Now if it still doesn't work, another thing we can try is close down our Steam completely. That means open up the task manager, go to details, find steam.exe and then task. Now that it's closed down completely, we want to find our Steam folder. So go to File Explorer, C drive, or wherever you installed it, Steam, Steam apps, and then find the downloading one. From here you want to right click on it, rename, and type something in front. It can be anything, just like this. Then close it down and reopen Steam. What this is going to do is it's going to generate a new downloading folder since you changed the name, and the new downloading folder can fix the corrupt files. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.